Hi guys, it's 5:40 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria. And today guys, nagluto na naman kami ng lasagna. Ang sarap ng lasagna. Prepared by my asawa. And of course guys, kapag may lasagna, may buttered chicken. Partner. So, ngayon guys, kain tayo guys. Oh, look, my buttered chicken, di nasunog. Kasi hindi ako naglagay ng, what you call that? Ng honey. Ayan guys, so ang sarap po, crunchy crunchy. Kain tayo guys. Babush. Sarap nito. Sarap nito. Grabe yung lasagna. Oh, grabe ka loaded ba? Sobrang loaded talaga.